These guys.
Dicks out,
Oh,
guns
no, it's
cocked,
foggy.
baby.
The floor is made of amethyst.
Oh, cool.
What?
What does that mean?
Oh, there's a guy.
It's made of amethyst. It's purple. Oh, there's an old bird.
Hey, guy.
What the fuck is this?
It's an old bird.
Oh, this is an old bird.
What the fuck is this?
I think it's fairly self-explaining what those guys do, actually.
I don't know.
Is it like the Panopticon thing? Oh, there's two of them. Two of them!
There
Three
are
of them.
many of them.
So it's
Many
kind of like
of
the
them, I don't
Panopticon
like
thing?
it.
There are no living creatures within this facility.
Ah.
But there are lots of traps, so watch out.
Okay.
Okay.
Always
Hello.
keep an eye on the ceiling.
You got it,
Yes,
boss.
please.
Oh yeah, and don't be too close to doors when you open them. Oh, there it.
So, então esse planeta não tem bicho, mas...
Oh, it's over
Madeira.
there!
É. Basicamente.
Guys. I'm really sorry, guys.
Você deve ter medo deles.
Robô se mexeu.
Holy fuck! The,
Wow!
the-
Oh my god!
the go-
The robot is moving! I don't know what they do!
I don't know what they do either!
Right there.
God.
I am scared, I don't like it. I don't like it. He moves on the lower FPS, I don't like
Gabro!
it. Yeah, bro,
Gabro!
the robot is moving at 2 FPS.
Gabro!
Yeah, bro.
Gabro!
Oh my god.
Gabro, help!
I can hear the bone.
Okay, listen, Shogun. We both.
I'm scared.
We both. Ah!
Oh my god. Oh, I get this ball. No. Hello.
I'm so sorry, Shogun.
How do I get your body? Guys.
Oh my god.
Wow. Ay, ay,
Hello.
ay, ay.
It's a
This is
Have you seen this?
Oh, what's outside?
Oh no.
Life. Why am I
Why are you
hearing
looking
life?
Oh, fuck.
Holy shit.
fuck's sake.
Holy shit. What the fuck? Capro! Holy shit!
How the fuck is he alive? How the fuck is he alive? How many of them are there?
Oh, girl.
Oh, best. Oh, best. Gabriel!
Oh god.
That was... I don't think we're gonna get out.
Yeah.
fucking
I
god.
don't think we're gonna...
Holy shit.
Did you guys also die by the robots?
No.
No.
I got
I
crushed
got
by
fucking
the
rocket
spiky
launched to
things.
the hell.
I got squished too.
Okay, but did you guys watch me?
Get away.
Yeah.
Guys
Yes,
also
we
died by
did.
the robot. That's no bueno. No eres bueno.
Yeah.
How do I go back?
How many
We
are
don't
what
fight.
words? Like,
Shogun doesn't.
Yeah,
Let's go back to the ship.
you
Oh
don't
my
get
fucking-
back to the ship. That's how.
Oh no, Shogun! Shogun!
My fucking god.
Yeah, you don't want to mess with those guys.
Bro, there is a monster on the facility.
There
I
is.
don't think.
It was
they-
one of
Yeah,
those
that guy
harmless
touched
little
Sparky in your
guys.
face.
Oh fuck! There is a guy on the. There is a guy on the facility.
Yeah, there are monsters on the facility.
Let's be
Oh.
realistic.
I
Even if I
suspect
leave this
because I
place, I'm
started
not
hearing Grey
surviving the old
voice
birds.
and Grey are dead. Don't design noise.
Oh!
Yeah,
Holy
sure.
shit!
So I was like, oh, everyone is dead. Oh, it's Grey
I
body.
love how Envy keeps finding
No.
bodies.
I mean, he won't find mine. I was
Yeah, I can hear their
fucking
voices.
shit. Also,
What
I have
voices?
no idea how I made it to the ship.
Yeah, you were
I have
so
no idea how
close
I
to.
survived the first launch of
Also, it
rockets.
was like midday. It was noon.
Oh fuck, the voices
Yeah,
are
okay,
here.
but it's not be awake.
Oh, Grey body!
Oh
You
yeah.
find it in there's a
Interesting.
face hug.
Oh,
He's close to the exit.
Gas leak. Sure.
You are close to the exit, but there's a
Is there not
destructive
enough-
robot.
You just gotta go past my body.
and it,
So Terry, you monster.
Yeah.
There's a monster
I
near
think
your
that
body.
there are two bodies there. Right. I think mine is there too.
oh. Okay, let's.
Oh my god!
This boat is fucking scary.
Bro, how did I survive the first? Bruh.
Holy shit! Eddie!
Run, my life.
Into the fog I go again.
Weaving.
Holy shit.
Envy's weaving.
Oh my
Oh
god!
my god, he's Patrick.
Holy,
He's real.
holy shit!
Look at him.
He
Look at
kicked
him.
you so much. Welcome.
I was almost at the ship end, but they got me.
Yo, I survived the first launch of missiles. I was flying, but I tried to go back to the facility.
How was it? How was the horror movie?